It's vegan pizza! Do you know what we celebrate in June? It's the most colorful time of the year. It's Veggie Month. Are you tired of eating bland-colored foods? Blech! We can all make an effort to eat healthier foods like corn, lettuce, tomato. Help me out.
Guess this pizza could have been made a bit healthier.
Now you can make your own vegan pizza.
What is vegan?
What's vegan, you ask? Being vegan means you don't eat animals or anything that they help make. Vegans eat various different plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and products made from these foods.
Let's pick some veggies from Grandpa Pig's vegetable garden and make a vegan pizza.
Did someone say vegan pizza? I love colorful food, and I want to help others be healthy too. Let's go! I see you have chosen your toppings.
Hurry, I'm getting hungry.
We will need a bowl, half cup of warm water, a half teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of flour, and a pinch of salt. Let's mix well and leave it still for 15 minutes. Now to continue working on the pizza dough.
Will our pizza have cheese on it?
I am glad you asked, Peppa Pig. Yes, that is true. We are going to make our very own cheese substitute that is creamier and so yummy. Now help me shape this half a cup of flour like the crater of a volcano. Awesome! Now we will pour our pre-made mix in the center along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's roll it into a ball. Place it onto our bowl, cover it with plastic, and leave it in a warm place for 40 minutes.
Is it time to make the cheese?
For this, you will need your blender, 1.4 ounces of tofu, half teaspoon salt, 1 clove garlic, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, and blend. Cook over medium heat until it forms a gooey texture. Now let's take our dough and roll it out into a circle.
For this part, we'll need 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce and a baking spatula.
Now let's spread our tomato sauce all over the dough.
Now that we also spread our cheese, can we put all the veggies?
Now we're ready. Let the rainbow rain begin. Mummy Pig, can you preheat the oven to 450 degrees?
Copy that.
Now let's place our pizza onto the tray and put it in the oven for 12 minutes.
I can't wait to try it.
Let's wait a few minutes for it to cool.
Yum! That was really delicious.
If you have any vegan recipes you'd like to share with us, leave a comment down below. Hit the red button to become a UniLander, and remember, you are UniLand!